Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First things first, let's talk about the most traditional route, freelancing. Why? Because they desperately need your help, and they often don't have the massive budgets to hire a big agency. Once you land that first client, do an absolutely amazing job. Next, let's talk about freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTool. These can be a bit of a double-edged sword. When you're starting out on these platforms, you might have to take on a few smaller, lower-paying jobs just to get some positive reviews. Now, let's move beyond one-off projects. The real key to a stable income in web design is recurring revenue. So, when you deliver a brand new website to a client, don't just hand over the keys and say goodbye. Offer them a monthly care plan. Another amazing way to generate recurring revenue is through hosting and domain management. Okay, let's shift gears and think bigger. What if you don't want to trade your time for money forever? Creating a high-quality template is a lot of work up front, but the payoff can be huge. Beyond templates, you can sell other digital assets. Another avenue for scaling your income is education. You can create an online course. So, to recap, you can start with freelancing for local businesses to build your portfolio. Use online platforms strategically to expand your reach. The path to earning a great living as a web designer isn't a straight line. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a clear roadmap to start earning money with your web design skills.